Ready for a brand new style from Estetica? Let's take a look at it. All right guys, we have a brand new release from Estetica today. I cannot wait to show it to you. Wig Studio One sent this over for me to review for you today. I am wearing my Estetica Jones, and this color is R30 28 26. I love my Jones. All right, so today, new from Estetica's Swiss Lace Collection, we're going to unbox. Now, the name of this is, let me spell it, S-H-A-I. Is it SHAI? Is it SHAI? I'm not sure. So I had someone tell me SHAI, and in the next breath, another person said, no, it's SHAI. So I don't know. I'm telling you that's how it's spelled. And so I think I'm going to go with SHAI. I'm not quite sure. But it is in the color Caramel Kiss. So let's have a look at it. Comes in this beautiful box, of course. Now, like I said, Wig Studio One sent this over for me. I am going to put a link in the drop-down box below this video for this wig, brand new today. Also, I have a code, and I will put that down there below so you can save on your favorite wigs and toppers over at Wig Studio One using my code. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. They are there to help you with any of your wig and topper questions. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look. This is how it comes boxed. I love Caramel Kiss. I think it's such a pretty color. So pretty. Okay, I can tell this is a very straight bob. Look at this color, y'all. It's so pretty. This is very straight. Feels low density. We'll see when I put it on. Now let's look at the cap. Again, this is part of their Swiss lace collection, and this lace is very soft. And this looks like a lace part. Okay. Let me show you this up close so you can have a look at the cap. Very soft lace here, Swiss lace, open wefted. It has an extended open nape here, and it has the hook adjusters. That's the cap. There's a lot of stretch here. All right, I'm curious to see. There may be some permatease here. We will see. So pretty. I love the color. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, let's try it on. Okay guys, I took the tag off because that's just so much to deal with when I'm trying to show you the wig. So let's try on SHAI. SHAI, however you want to pronounce it. All right, okay, it's a longer bob. It's longer than I thought it would be. It's a pretty length. Let's talk about permatease. You know, there's the slightest amount. It's very slight, right where I was showing you, beside the part there. Really none to speak of in the back or on the sides, and just the slightest amount. This is really low density. Let's take out this part and see. I'm gonna play with it a little bit. Now, you know, there's not a lot of parting space there, as you saw when I showed you the lace. Let me show you the lace front. It's really well done. It's that Swiss lace. It is a very narrow lace front here. Make sure you see it. It runs from here to here. Very well done. You barely can see it. It's a very short lace front with that Swiss lace. The coverage is good. There's my bio hair there and there. This is again, very low density bob. It's pretty. I love the color. I'm just gonna put, this is plain water. Y'all know I always spray my wigs with some plain water when I take them out of the box. See what I'm working with here. Okay, it's layered around the face. That's pretty. Very pretty. Now, this may be a little bit of a face flopper. We'll see. But this might require a little steaming if you want to train that off your face. But yeah, you can see this is gonna fall a tad, which y'all is not a deal breaker for me, because I know I can easily fix that and do all the time. Okay, it's pretty. Wow, I like this. Okay, that is very nice. Can put it behind your ear easily. I like this more than I thought I would. I did not know what to expect. And I think if you're looking for a bob that is beautiful layers, you can see now how this is layered around the face. That's very face flattering. I like that when they do it that way. It has a lot of movement. These fibers are very soft. Yeah, all right, I like it. All right, let's talk about the specs. The bang of this is 8 inches. Now, I think I see a few shorter ones in there, but they're saying the bang is 8, the sides are 8.5. The crown is 11.5. It has a 6-inch nape, and it weighs 3.88 ounces. It does not feel that heavy to me. It feels very lightweight. These bobs, it's been the year of the bobs, right? We have seen so many low density bobs, and that's the reason for that is they are very popular. Everybody's liking these. I'm going to see, I think you could, yes, you could easily put this in a low ponytail. That's always nice, I feel like, in the summertime to have a wig that you can wear down and also put in a low ponytail. I've got some Estetica sea salt spray. I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to separate it a little bit and just give it a little texture like I always do. But yeah, I think that you're going to have to work on the front of this a little bit to train that off your face for sure. But like I said, that's never a deal breaker for me, because I just expect that on a lot of these type of bobs that I'm going to have to work on that. And usually I will do that with a temporary fix with a little hairspray, and then if I want a more permanent fix, of course, I would use some steam. But y'all, this is pretty. So low density. I like that, adding just a little texture and mess it up a little bit. That's just my way. And I think they did a beautiful job with this silhouette. It's choppy on the bottom. It is I see how the bottom is very choppy as it comes around. This is nice. Okay, let's talk about this color, Caramel Kiss. This is described as a golden brown with light copper blonde highlights. I think that is a perfect description of this color. It definitely has a golden brown in here. And then you can see these beautiful light copper highlights. They are so pretty. This is one of my favorite colors from Estetica. The fit on this for me, did not do any adjustment. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference. I feel like this is a perfect fit on me, and it's very comfortable. And again, I want to make sure you have seen the lace front. Again, a short lace front there. And this Swiss lace, beautiful, beautiful job. Okay, y'all, that is a look at this new style from Estetica. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave me some comments if you're going to try this one. What do you think about this color? What are your favorite Estetica colors? Let's talk about it. Again, the link to this will be below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.